Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. I invite you now to imagine there is a golden web that's surrounding your body. And as you inhale, allow that web to lift up and sift through what no longer serves the highest light of you. Lift it all the way up, all the way up, all the way up into the stars and the cosmos, and a big exhale. Letting that net dissolve into stardust and transmute. What's once no longer served the highest light for you now serves the highest light for you and all connected with you through generations, through lifetimes, through dimensions, into the all. Feel the stardust on your skin and receive beyond the knowing, the inner knowing of your heart.